to remove your personal data from PeopleSearch AU website. Welcome, and this guide will walk you through the steps to remove your personal data from the PeopleSearch AU website. This is important if you want to protect your privacy and limit the exposure of your information online. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the PeopleSearch AU website. Make sure you're on the correct site to avoid scams or lookalikes. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. Look for the link titled Opt Out, Remove Information, or something similar. This will take you to the page where you can request data removal. Click on the relevant link to access the removal request form. Carefully read any instructions provided so you understand what details are needed and how the process works. Fill out the removal form with accurate information. You may need to provide your name, current or past addresses, email, and exact profile or link that contains your personal data. After filling in the form, submit your request. You may receive a confirmation message on the site or an email verifying that your request has been received. If you don't hear back within a few days, check your spam folder or return to the site to submit another request. You can also try contacting their support directly for an update.